Hello everybody, it's Sunday afternoon and I'm so excited because God has done it again. So it's been a while. I know even I'm not getting this right, but anyway, don't worry. So it's about 20 minutes past 3. It's late since I wanted to leave earlier than this, but due to unavoidable circumstances, I'm a mom. I keep reminding you, so a lot happens on Sunday. But anyway, that's not what I'm here for. So I'm about to go to town and pick my parcel so that, guys, the joy in my heart, you guys, you don't know. Anyway, let me get ready. Then I will see you in a few. Guys, I'm finally ready, as you can see. I had to put on this weekend cap because the sun is so hot. So let's go to town. So I don't know whether I film when I'm in town or whether when I'm back. But anyway, we're gonna know about that much later. So guys, I'm finally back at home and the package is here, guys. So I'll go ahead and unbox it. I'm not wasting any more time. I'm going ahead and unbox it, and then I'm gonna give you the whole details of how I got it from the store where I bought it and what have you. So let me show you my ring light, okay? And we unbox together. So come on, little chairs, huh? Let me know what to do about it. Huh? So in the meantime, guys, I'm having my supper over there, and I've got famished and I felt like eating ugali, so that's my supper. Okay, so here is the ring light, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. I don't even know where I'm going to place my phone because I don't have a holder at the moment. I'm waiting to get this ring light. So there's this ring light and it comes with this 2-meter tripod stand, like you can see it on the picture over here. So that's it. So it says it has it's 12 watts, warm, white, cool. I guess those are the light from the ring light. You can either put warm, white, or cool. Then USB power supply, LED, ring light. That's what is inside this box. Chatuone. So guys, tunaonyesha na mkono mmoja, okay. Okay, let me first post this, guys. So here goes the content. Hizi ndizo vitu ziko hapa. So this is the ring light and it has its adapter over there or something. Power on, you add the light and the shift button. I guess I can see them. Let me show you. You can see? Yeah, there you go. I guess this is the phone holder. This must be the phone holder. Yeah, so tutajua tu kufix hii kitu. Here goes the mini tripod that was to come with it. There is a lapel mic. There you go. Mwenye anajua kutumia hizi vitu haki niite tu nionyeshe. And so I don't know where this goes. I hope there's something that gives the instructions or something. So, or I'm gonna look for a video to do this. There you go. Something else over there. Whatever it is, there goes the Bluetooth shutter. Easy to set up. Stroke use. Okay, can you see it? I'm showing you, I'm concentrating on other things. And then I guess these are just used to fix things over here. So I'm going to be the technician today. Even if I spend the whole night doing it. So let's look at the tripod stand now. So there you go, guys. There goes I ended the video without knowing I had paused. There goes my tripod stand. It's 2 meters in height according to the description. There you go. There you go. So I'm I'll try and fix this. And it's not rocket science, you know. It's like a puzzle. So I just check the picture and know what to do and how to go about it. So guys, let's fix this thingy and start using it. So I just want to say a very big thank you to Litrimi Investments, otherwise going by the name Lenny Venture on Instagram. I have attached the name over here. If you want to check them out, go check them out. Thank you for being so efficient, so reliable, so swift. Yani, I can't believe I ordered, and you know I'm in Nyeri. I ordered for my ring light at around 1:30 p.m. and by 5:30 my ring light was here ready for pick up. Something else that interested me is that they ask for the exact amount for delivery. They send you the receipts via WhatsApp and via message, and it's so amazing. At least now I got my vlogging kit, I got my ring light. At least I can now shoot at night. I have no problem now doing videos. The lighting is good. They delivered the package as they had indicated in the picture that I saw on Instagram, and I'm so grateful. So that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure that you get yourself a ring light. You don't have any excuse. And I said try, just start with whatever you can afford. I started with the 10-inch one because that's what I could afford for now, and it's doing me good so far. So if you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Until next time, see you and God bless. Bye bye.